Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane and welcome to another episode of Chip Estimate TV. My guest today is Colin Baldwin, Director of Marketing with Open Silicon. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Well, thank you, Sean.
Open Silicon is an IP partner of ChipEstimate.com, which we can talk about a little bit later, but tell us a little bit about the history of Open Silicon.
Well, Open Silicon was founded in 2003 out of Intel Microelectronics, and the focus was on applying open market technologies to solve the ASIC problem. So people needed to be able to access their choice of foundry, package solutions, IP, and be able to build complex solutions in a way that had low risk, that met their schedule requirements, their quality requirements, and also their cost requirements. So that was the original focus of the company when it was founded. Company changed a little bit in 2007. We purchased a technology company called Genesis Technologies, and the intent there was to bring better technology into the physical design arena, and particularly in the area of performance and power. And then rolling forth 2009, we also made an acquisition in another space, which was Silicon Logic Engineering. And that 2009 change was to allow us to provide complete solutions to customers. It was in response to feedback that we'd received that customers needed a flexible services offering to enable them to bring their new products to market.
Okay. And you're a partner of ChipEstimate.com. and have an IP offering on Chip Estimate. Typically what designers will do will come into ChipEstimate.com, search for the highest quality silicon proven IP available, and they will go and explore Open Silicon's IP catalog within ChipEstimate.com. That's important, and that's important for people in the context of their next chip design to access this IP from Open Silicon. But anyway, besides that, I want to mention that with the huge growth in mobile devices and the demands in power and performance, how is Open Silicon addressing those issues going forward?
Power and performance are key in many industries. It's particularly interesting that what was traditionally a low-power device, such as a smartphone, today is under increasing pressure, but also a little surprisingly, we're seeing that same low-power pressure inside of, say, a core infrastructure device. So people who were building 20, 30, 40 million gate ASICs in the past now are building 100, 150 million gate ASICs, and they're having thermal issues, power density issues. So technology which was nice to have in some spaces in the past, such as, again, in high-performance computing or core networking, now is an absolute critical requirement. So Open Silicon has taken the technology acquired from Genesis Technologies in 2007, and we have added to that back biasing. So this back biasing is common in the smartphone space. What we're seeing now is a need for that across other markets, and that's something that Open Silicon has responded to by bringing this and offering it to our ASIC customers. And hopefully back biasing as part of a complete low-power solution will enable them to win in the market.
Great. And recently you were at the Global Technology Conference. You spoke there. Tell us a little bit about your collaboration with Global Foundries, specifically with the 28 nanometer low power.
So we did a development in Global Foundries 28 SLP, and this was a high-performance mobile processor. And what that allowed us to do was to apply our low-power technology in a focused application. Again, we're going after in the mobile space, right? The ultimate in battery life, and by taking back biasing, by taking other low-power technologies in development, by taking the PowerMax technologies, which were acquired with the Genesis acquisition in 2007, we were able to bring all that into 28 SLP, a process which is truly excellent for low-power design, and combine all those techniques in one vehicle so that we can then see what we're able to do from a low-power standpoint.
Great, well said. For all your low-power needs, go to Open Silicon. That's what I heard. Thank you very much for joining us today. And we'll see you next time on another episode of Chip Estimate TV.